Yeah, open your web browser to download VMbox. Type virtualbox.org. Click on Download VirtualBox button. So now select your OS. According to your OS, you can download the VirtualBox. So I select here Windows. Yeah, it started to download. After downloading, open it. Click next. Click next. Click next. Then click S and install. So it's just installing. After finishing installation, go to web browser and type ubuntu.com to download Ubuntu ISO file. Go to download page. Select your version. Yeah, now it will be getting downloaded. Let's wait for a while. Click OK. Now open the virtual box. Oh, sorry, before opening the virtual box, we should see in the BIOS setup that virtual is enabled or not. Okay, for that I will show here through Google how we can do that. Yeah, next is open the virtual box, click new and name the machine. Type should be Linux and version will be Unix 64-bit. If we get this error, change the location. Click next. Now we should allocate some amount of memory. I'm selecting here 3 gigabytes. Click next. Sorry, click create. Here we should click VirtualBox disk image and click next. We are adding some amount of hard drive to the virtual machine. I choose here dynamical allocated. If we choose fixed, it will be allocated 50 gigabytes. So by clicking dynamical allocated, we can assume how much space we needed. Okay. So I click here dynamic and click next. Click create. Now the Ubuntu is displayed in the side. So before starting, go to setting. In general, go to advanced tab. Set clipboard to bidirectional and second option also the same. Now In the system, go to processor tab. I will recommend you to enabling PAE and next option. In display, set view memory max value. In the storage option, we have install disk image ISO file that we downloaded already. So click on empty disk and select ISO file. Rest of all is will be default. Click OK. Select Ubuntu and start the machine. Choose language. If you want try Ubuntu, click on it, but I am installing here, so click on install button. Choose your keyboard layout and click continue. I'm not using this OS to play games etc. So I will go with minimal installation. So select minimal installation. If I need third party software, it need actual hardware. I am not doing that. So click on continue. Here is the two options. One is erase disk and install Ubuntu and another one is something else. If you select erase disk and install Ubuntu and install now, it will show like this. There will be ESP and EXT partition will be formatted automatically, but I don't need that, so I am selecting here something else. So this is the first virtual hard drive. Continue. Click on free space. Click on plus button. In the user partition option, select ext for journaling file system and set mount point as root, which is denoted by /, and set the memory to 45,000 megabytes. Click OK. Select free space. Click plus button and select set the storage. Select user as swap area. Click OK. Click free space. Click plus button. Set user as EFI system partition. Click install now. Oh, it says error that desired BIOS boot area is not set up. So go back. Select free space. Click plus button and modify the storage of EFI system partition. Select free space. Set user as reserved BIOS boot area. Select space. Click OK. Now click install. Continue. Select location. Create a user account and continue. it will install Ubuntu. Yeah, it's finished. So click restart now. Meanwhile, go to device and select install guest edition CD image. Once getting into Ubuntu, click on CD image and run the software. Yeah, now the resolution will be full in Windows. So this is a way to install Ubuntu in VMbox.